Hi everyone. In this video, we will provide an interesting economic view of physiocratism. Let's start with a basic understanding of what is physiocratism. Physiocratism is a school of economic thought that was born in the 18th century. They argue that a country's wealth came from natural resources and the agricultural sector. But the Physiokrats assumed that the real resources of wealth were natural resources. The Physiokrat school first appeared in France towards the end of the mercantilist era in early 1756. The difference from the mercantilists was when the mercantilists inspired a source of wealth of a country was a foreign trade. Physiokrats come from Greek, namely from the word physio, which means nature, and kratos, which means power. Literally means those who believe in natural law, believers in the rule of nature. This natural law full of harmony, and harmony applies anytime, anywhere, and in any situation. The Physiokrat school grew as a criticism of mercantilist's economic thought. The most famous figure in this mazhab was François Quesnay, 1654–1774. A French surgeon who was once a private doctor Raja Louis XV and also a doctor of trust in Sri Raja Madame de Pompadour and Jasques-Turgot. François Quesnay, 1694–1774. Born near Paris, France, June 2, 1694 and died December 16, 1774 at Versailles. A doctor and economist who wrote about economics in the Grand Encyclopedia, François Quesnay and his followers believed that a country's wealth depended on the agricultural sector. They consider agriculture to be the only sector that can create true economic value. He described the relationship between the agricultural, manufacturing, and trade sectors in the Tableau économique. The main idea of physiocratism is that the government should not interfere with activities, economy, and should only tax agriculture. They also argue that international trade can provide great economic benefits. Quesnay created the economic tables to explain economic flows within society, explaining how income and expenditure relate in an economic system. As a Physiokrat, Jasques-Turgot defended agriculture as the most productive sector in the economy. Therefore, Jasques-Turgot provided encouragement so that agricultural businesses could be increased. Jasques-Turgot, 1727–1781, a French philosopher who was very influential in Adam Smith's thinking. Born in Paris 10th of May, 1727–1781, and died on March 18, 1781. A very valuable contribution of thought to the development of economic knowledge. The theories produced by Turgot emphasize the entrepreneurial spirit as an effort to improve the economy. Main principles of physiocratism. 1. Tax on land. Physiokrats believe that taxes must be imposed on agricultural land, because land is the main source of state wealth and income. Laissez-faire. They encourage the laissez-faire approach where the government should minimal intervention in the economy, so that the natural flow of wealth can develop. Financial finer concept. Physiocratism put forward the concept of simple financial schools. They believe that natural resources, especially agriculture, produces a surplus that flows to other sectors in the economy, creating growth and prosperity. Importance of agriculture. The Physiokrats see agriculture as the backbone of the economy. They believe that abundant agricultural products create stability and national economic welfare. Criticism of physiocratism. However, there are also criticism of this view. Some economists argue that physiocratism is to ignoring the role of industry and trade in economic growth. Development of the thought of physiokrats. 1. Physiocratism has explicitly referred to as a school. 2. The Physiokrats consider the source of state wealth as natural resources. 3. The Physiokrats prioritize the importance of the agricultural sector. Agricultural activities are considered as the only productive sector that produces a net production surplus, produce net, for the community. 4. The government does not need to be to intervention, because nature will automatically balance and regulate in such a way that the economic harmony and general welfare are realized. Conclusion. In the view of physiocratism, agriculture is the main motorbike of the economy. Although controversial, this thought gives an interesting view of how natural resources can be the main driver of a country's wealth. Hopefully this video provides a better understanding of the economic views of physiocratism. Thank you for watching.